Here we will see findall function in Python. Findall function is used to check if the whole given character resides in the string. If it finds, it returns the search character every time it finds it. It returns a result in a simple list format and it is ideal for text processing and analysis. General syntax is first import the RE module. So import RE and we'll give re.findall with parameters, patterns, strings and flags, where pattern is a regular expression that you want to search. Use the raw string with pattern to avoid issues with backslash. Then string, it is the target text that you want to scan for matches. And flags are optional, which are used as a modifier to modify the behavior of the search pattern, such as re.ignore case or re.multiline, etc. The return type of re.findall is always a list. This list contains all the non-overlapping matches of the pattern in the string, and if no match is found, it will return an empty list. Now I'll see examples for using findall functions. So first import the RE module with import RE. Then we'll see extracting numbers from the text. For this we have defined a text with value I have 4 pencils and 2 pens. And to extract the numbers from this text we'll use re.findall with /d and plus, where d is used to find the numbers. So when you print it, it will give the result 4 and 2, which are the numbers from the text. Then we'll see extracting words from the text. So we have defined the text with program snippets, and to extract the words we'll use re.findall with /w, which is used for word, and it will give the output program and snippets. Then we say extracting email address from the text. So here we have defined a text: send your resume at hr@gmail.com or support@rediffmail.com. And to extract the email address, we'll give the format. First it will give the characters, then @ symbol, and then again characters. So we'll give re.findall with pattern /w dot dash plus @ again /w dot dash, and when we execute it will give hr@gmail.com and support@rediffmail.com. Then we see extracting phone numbers from the text. So here we have defined the text: for any query call at 111-222-3333 or 111-222-3334. Here we will give the pattern for searching. So the pattern is first 3 digits, then dash, again 3 digit, dash, and then 4 digit. So with findall we will give /d, which is used for number, and the width is 3. So /d in curly bracket will give 3. Again we will give dash /d in curly bracket will give 3, and again dash /d in curly bracket will give 4. So it will give the output as 111-222-3333. So wherever this pattern is present, it will display the output. Then we'll see extracting date from the text. So we have defined a text with admission dates with 10-5-2022 to 31-05-2022. And to extract the date, we'll give the format. So r/d with length 2 digits, then dash /d 2 digits, so 2, and then 4 digits, so we'll give /d4. So when we execute, it will give 10-05-2022 and 31-05-2022. Now we'll see extracting words with capital letter. So we have defined a text with Python programming by program snippets. To find the words with capital word, we'll give findall with capital A to Z as a starting character, then small a to Z and star. So when we execute, it will give Python programming program snippets. By is not started with capital letter, so it will not display the by in the output. Then we see extracting only alphabets. So here we have defined a text with ABCD 789, WXYZ and 534. And to extract the alphabets from the text, we'll use findall and we'll give the search pattern as small a to Z and capital A to Z. So when we execute, it will give the text only with ABCD and WXYZ. Then we'll see using groups. So here we have defined a text with physics 78, chemistry 87. To separate out, we'll give the colon. So we'll give the format /w plus and colon, again /d plus, since W is for physics and D is for 78. And when we execute, it will give the tuple with physics 78 and chemistry 87. Then we see extracting words with ignoring the case. So here we have defined a text with Python program by program snippet, and we'll find the word program in the text by ignoring the case. So we'll give pattern as program, then text and re.ignore case. And when we execute, it will give the program with small p and capital P.